Boy Scouts. Hey, elderly man, do you need some help crossing the carpet? Well, that would be nice. Yeah, that would be nice. Okay, let's get a move on. Hey, little boy, do you like popsicles? Elderly man, why are you acting weird? I'm just saying. Do you like popsicles? Bye. Hey, what about your popsicles? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. That old man over there tried to help him cross the carpet, and he tried to give me a popsicle. Maybe he's a rapist. Yeah, maybe he is. Maybe you should shut up. Maybe we should get pitchforks and knives and pitchforks and knives and pitchforks. Okay, guys. Okay. We'll take pitchforks and knives. Okay, let's go. Banzai! Ow! 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 And the day is saved by the Bionicle Boy Scouts. Bye.